Baby, wala nang sipon eh. Wala na, oh. Tanggal ng kulangot. Laki-laking kulangot. So, para happy ang baby. So, here are the products that I use nung tinanggalan ko ng kulangot si baby. Kulangot at sipon. So, I use Otrivin Baby Care Nasal Cleaning Solution. So sabi dito, natural seawater. So, si daddy ang bumili nito and nagkataon spray yung nabili niya. So, I tried it to baby first time and medyo scary yung experience. I think marami siya masyado for a baby kapag in-spray. This one. So, this time, second time I'm using it, gumamit ako nito. So, this one is a safety first item. Meron siyang chupon sa taas, tapos maliit na lalagayan sa ilalim. So, yeah. And then, also, a must-have for a mama like me, like you, na merong baby na merong stuffy nose, is this one, Fridababy NoseFrida the SNOT sucker. So, yan. As you can see, si mommy isisipsipin ang ilong ni baby. I mean, yung snot ni baby. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan. Dito ayan, umiiyak na baby. So, going back, guys. Yeah. So, ito yung portion na kay mommy. So, dito niya isasak yung sipon. So, may tube naman. So, hindi naman mapupunta kay mommy mismo yung snot. Because mahaba yan at hindi makakarating dyan yung sipon or yung snot. And then, this one, this tube, yan ang ilalagay mo sa ilong ni baby. So, you can see, yan. Sa opening lang. You don't need to push it harder inside baby's nose. So these two helped me a lot nung nagkaroon ng stuffy nose si baby. Nung 1 month abot pa lang siya. And then this time, nang magto 2 months na siya, nagamit ko na naman siya. Today actually. So this time, instead of using the spray, I put it here. And then I drop it to baby's nose over like that. And then, nung saturate na siya, umepekto naman siya agad. So, nung humihinga si baby, medyo malakas yung paghinga niya and then lumabas ng konti yung snot. And then, I suck it using this one and then napunta dito yung snot. So, it's easy to use, guys. I recommend to use the drop, especially if infant pa. So, in my case, this little one is only like, what, 8 weeks old? So, it's better to use the drop para hindi sila nagugulat sa spray. Nakakagulat talaga siya, guys. So, kung ayaw nyo ma-experience na experience ko, mag-drops muna kayo. And of course, kailangan may tissue around para tanggalin yung snot dito. Oh, there you go, Mr. Hatching. So, this is Rafael Andres. And his ilong is clean na. Yay! Yeah. Mommy hates it when baby's nose are stuffy. Sobra. Lalo na pag naririnig mo silang humihinga na may kulangot or sipon. Ay, naku. I hate it. So, this one will help you guys. It helped me. Okay, so this is what I recommend. And that's it. So that's our tip for today. Yeah, baby. So, para matanggal ang mga sipon-sipon at kulangot ng baby. Yeah. Diba, babe? Nako. Happy na siya. Happy na rin si mommy. Oh, may sinasabi ka? Happy ka na? Yeah? Wala nang sipon? No more sipon! Yay! So, ayun guys, napakalaking tulong ng mga nabili ko na yan. Highly recommendable from a certified mommy. Baby is now 8 weeks old. Yeah, magto 2 months na siya by the 24th of September. So, una ko yung ginamit nung 1 month old pa lang siya. So, grabe. First time namin gamitin yan is medyo malala yung nangyari. Akala ko dadaling ko na siya. Tumunog po yung alarm. Dede na daw. So, ayun. Medyo malala yung nangyari. Mag-isa lang ako noon. Tapos si baby. Tinry ko. Aba. Tinry ko yung spray. Ayun. Nung umepekto siya. Okay naman. Nakuha ko yung kulangot. Tapos, nung nakahiga na siya. Tapos, bigla siyang umubo. Iyak siya ng iyak. Tapos, feeling ko hindi na siya makahinga. Nakakatakot. So, kaya naisip lang ko na dapat pala drops na lang yung nabili. Pero, ayun na, since meron ako niyan, so nag-isip na lang ako ng ano kaya pwedeng alternative. So, nagkataon meron ako nito. So, nakatulong siya. Today. Yeah, second try namin magtanggal ng kulangot. Na, Sipon! Yahoo!